everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Histories, and today I talk about Skeem Saam, specifically about Principal Thobagale's character. Guys, it seems as if she is losing this battle with grade 8 and she will never find justice. Principal came up with a polygraph test as a solution to find a culprit behind these endless pranks. Mr. Homo will fight with everything, or the Homo family will fight with everything they have to make sure their son doesn't go to jail. But now guys, I'm happy because they know that their son is evil and he's a troublemaker, and he's also influencing other children at school. But the way Mrs. Homo loves her son, guys, she will influence her husband to help her protect their son and put the Principal Thobagale under the bus instead. The teasers reveal that Mr. Desando will take a hard decision against one of TEF high long-standing employees, which is obvious ki Thobagale, because Mawongwa ukospetlela, or he can't see. The guys, a screaming match ensues in the Homo house when Principal confront Mr. Homo about the setup, meaning Mr. Homo will set up the Principal. As I've said guys, I'm convinced the Homo family will protect their spoiled brat son. Now I'm asking myself, will Mr. Desando suspend the Principal, or he will demote her, as we later learn that Mr. Managa will be taking some decision going forward. After all, the truth is known. The Homo family knows that their son is involved, and Mawongwa also know that his son was also involved. Hard luck for Principal. No justice will be safe in this case, guys. That's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.